Good morning. Happy New Year. Ben, Alex, Andrew, Lassie, Alejandro Padilla. Welcome in. P2P, Ramon Ortega, Terry Curtis. Happy New Year, guys. Good morning. How are you? Did you have fun? Were you safe? Did you do anything fun and exciting and special? Welcome back. It is a new year, new edition. Swag show back in effect. Santa still in effect. Still doing his thing here. Let's see. Probably need to put this over a little bit. Hello. Hello, hello. Good morning. Ramon Ortega, Terry Curtis, Kevin, Kali, Maritza, P2P, Enrique, Berto, George, T Money, Hassan, Gondo. Welcome in. Good morning, good morning. Hello. All right. Santa taking profit there. Where is he? Gondo, welcome in. Thank you. Welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Appreciate the follow there. Santa in another trade here. Two for one Thursday. $300 long on Santa here. Pops up, pops down, pops all around. You can move them up. You can move them down. You can move them all around. Another profitable trade there. Even if it's $75, another profitable trade on Santa Claus. NQ Santa, that is. Good morning, Dub. Crawford, welcome in. Yuck Money, Jeep Wrangler, Bike Fast. One at Lewis, welcome in to the Swaginators. Mount up, thank you for the follow. Seclin, MWC, Jorge Rivera, Karen. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean, Jellybean. Let's get this party started. Abdullah Hendricks, welcome in. Good morning over on YouTube. How are you? Happy New Year. 2025. Can you believe it that I'm still alive? I'm Trend Planned Trader. Welcome in. Ada, hello, hello. Robin. Yes, sir. Still 1 o'clock Eastern time. I have one Zoom right before you, and then as soon as I'm done with that one, I'll send you the Slack. I'll send you the invite in Slack. Angel Pedroza Rodriguez, good morning, Happy New Year. You as well, thank you for being here. Can you send me name of this indicator? No, I cannot, but I can tell you it is BoldBot. It is a fully automated trading algorithm on the futures market. And if you want more information, please just email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. It's not an indicator. It is an algorithm. Here's the email. It is $500 for the first 21 days, $1,000 a month after that, or $300 for 2 weeks. Black Pearl, welcome back. All the special sales are over except for Apex. Apex, you have until the end of the day to get 90% off of any account size. Just use the code SWAGSHOW and sign up for some Apex accounts. Busted 5 of them today, but that's okay. I passed 5 of them as well. Not on purpose either. The Master Trader, 40 Ricky Hicks, Danny, Jessica, Crypto Chick, Code. Happy New Year to you as well. I hope everybody had fun and was safe. Who sets this up? You set it up yourself. We give you the instructions. We give you welcome email with video instructions, step-by-step instructions. And then we give you the algorithm files that you import into NinjaTrader. We give you a spreadsheet to put the settings that go along with each algorithm. It's all white glove service. And if you have trouble, then we can step in and kind of walk you through it. What's going on, BoldBot brother? I joined and got a 150K account. I'm going to get a 50 count before it ends. Yeah, Black Pearl. Today is the last day of the Apex sale. Basically $17 for any account size. Get as many as you can. This is a very good sale, especially with the $85 PA activation fee. Samir, Ace, Wade Wilson, Glittering Fight, Cool Clips, Kimberly, Ron, Official Biz, whatever. T. Nix, Mark, Martin, F. Colts, Flip Meme Coins, Flip 'em Coins, okay. Samir, welcome in. Lauren posted on X that the bots made 8K with my cash account. Been able to make that. Depends on what algorithm it was. But yeah, if you had a cash account and you were running that algorithm, you for sure could have made it. Running sim in a silver trade. There you go. Oracle silver or grid. Which one? Silver Oracle or the new Gridlock silver or Range silver? Which one? Range silver looks like it's the only one in a trade. So you must be running that one. Mark Martin, welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. Mace 941 New York City. James box seats. Yeah, okay. I haven't watched that one yet. I do have it running. I just never looked at it yet. Let's see here. Silver Range. Let's see. What do we got? Range Silver. There we go. All right. Very, very interesting. Happy New Year to you and your team. Thank you, sir. I appreciate you. Abdullah. Is it a one-time, lifetime $85 for Apex? Yes. But the sale ends tonight at midnight. So, how soon after your evaluation do they send the email? Usually within a couple of hours. But let me take that back. If you pass it today, like right now, if I passed it, they wouldn't send me the email until after the market closes, usually tonight, like 5:30, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern. And then you have 48 hours to pay the activation fee. And make sure you get the lifetime fee. Don't pay the monthly fee. It just doesn't make sense. But the bigger accounts are better because you can size up a little bit, Jessica. So I would get the 150K since they're the same price. It gives you more buffer room. But you could get a couple of each, honestly. I'd get like 3 or 4 50 and 3 or 4 150. I've got a couple of the 250s that I'm trying to pass right now, just so I can run bigger sizing. Big Bang NQs in a trade. Let's see here. Where are we at? This is Big Bang NQ in a $500 short here. $800 short now. How much activation fee? $85 on Apex. How many trades do you need to pass eval? Depends on the account size. If it's a $50,000 account, you need to make $3,000 in profit before hitting the drawdown. If it's a bigger account, you just need to make more. And it's all on the website. I don't remember exactly how much per account size. I just know 50,000 for sure. You need to make $3,000 in profit, and then it's a $85 activation fee. So, vote for Pedro. Welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for follow. Bubba Lou, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. Future Scalper, welcome in. Good morning. Happy New Year. Greg Bonanno, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. Are you part of the Bonanno family? Obviously, right? Nobody gets that joke, but it's not really a joke. Serious question. The one and only Cam, welcome in. Juan Pena, JW JWAG, 2411, welcome in. Happy New Year. Good morning, everybody. How is everybody doing? It's 10:45 a.m. Eastern Time. We got Big Bang in a trade here, locking up some profit here. We'll see how much. Right about $65 there. 65 on NQ Big Bang. We got ES Big Bangs made 1,100 so far today. Nothing else really in a trade right now. There's prop. Kind of waiting on it to go back up. See if it can take a short. 800 to 65. Not good for threshold. Yeah, on Big Bang you got to watch it. It's one of those that you want to actually manually trail and move your stop loss as it goes in profit. But yeah, if you're on an eval account or you're just starting out a funded account, you definitely want to lock in more profit. Who won the giveaway for New Year's? Trusty Trand and Glacier. Those are the two winners from the Christmas giveaway. I will be doing one more this month at the around the end of January or so. So if you're already on the list, I will keep you on the list. But yeah. Yeah, it wouldn't have been good for Apex, but that's why we tell you on Big Bang that you want to do it hands-on, which means you want to actually monitor it and manually move your stop loss as it goes. Like usually one candlestick behind, Depends on what you want to do and how big your threshold is and how much you want to make each day. But yeah, it definitely can have a big drawdown for sure. But we tell you all that, and depending on which algorithm it is, if you should be hands-on with it or not. So, but look at that. I mean, it did pull back to there, but then look, it's, well, you can't see it now. Let me put it over here. It pulled back and stopped out, but then it immediately is continuing down. So, it's a safety measure for the algorithm. Like if it notices that it's going to turn around and it looks like it's going to turn around and go the other way, it's going to take you out of the trade, even though it might just be a bigger pullback than normal. So, best advice on Big Bang is to manually watch it. But we got new year, new deals, $500 for the first 21 days, then $1,000 a month after that. So, or you can do the $300 for 2 weeks. Just email and let me know. Kevy Kev, welcome in. Hello, good morning. Happy New Year. Hypothetically, 20 Apex accounts makes $300 per account possible. Yeah, for sure. And you could do that on our MicroStrategy game plan that we have right now. We have one algorithm called NQ High 5. It takes one mini contract, risking 2-to-1, and if it wins 200. So if that algorithm, if you had it running on all your accounts, which I don't recommend ever running one strategy across all your accounts unless it has a really small loss and you can afford that across all your accounts. And that one, it kind of does. Even if you ran it on like 4 micros, that would be 20, 40, 60, $80 that you would have won. Now, if you wanted to just run the one mini, you would have won $200, risking 400. So we'll come up with a game plan for you and help you out. But Big Bang, the NQ one, it's up $655 on the day without touching it. So just to answer your question, can you make 300 a day? Yes, you can easily make 300 a day. Especially when you're running mini contracts. Even when you're running micros, if you just let the algorithm do their thing, it'll add up. Like right now, look at this. NQ Big Bang's in another short here. Let me bring it over and show you. So it just put itself into another short, and we're already green $180, $155. And without me touching it today, it's already made over $600. So even though it did have a big drawdown, like you were saying, it was positive 800 and it only took 75 or whatever. That's why it's suggested, like, once it gets beyond 200 or 300 in the green, nothing wrong with go ahead and moving your stop loss and locking in half that profit. Lock up $100 at a time. So, are you on YouTube? Yep, I'm on both YouTube and TikTok. Hopefully, they don't take away TikTok here in a few days, but we'll see what happens. So, the original Big Shot. Welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. And there's a ES version of this same algo. It's Big Bang ES. It's actually green. It's in a trade right now, red 300, but it's green 1100 on the day. So still green around 700 or 800. And Santa's in a $700 trade. How did I miss that? Where's Santa at? Let me show you Santa. $700 long. Look at this. If you ran Santa, this only risks 200 per trade. And look at that. We're up 800 on this one trade. Risking 200, and this has no stop or no take profit. This can run and run and run. I've seen Santa in $2,000-$3,000 trades before. Right now we're green $715 on this trade. 800 right there. So can you make 300 a day? Yes. Even at a smaller sizing on micros, you can make 300 a day. $1,100 now. What is the cost for all the bots? If you want all of them, the premium and the standard, it's $1,500 a month. If you want just the standard, you can do $300 for 2 weeks or $500 for 21 days, and then it's $1,000 a month after that. And Santa is part of the standard algorithms. We've got the range box seats. We've got a bunch of new ones on those. We've got a MicroStrategy game plan set up for people that's projected to win about $3,500 per month. And that's running basically just micros. So email us and let us know if you're interested. And Happy New Year. Keep tapping that screen, guys. Only 346 likes. Let's get those likes up. I don't want any gifts. I don't want anything other than you just keep tapping the screen. Just want to get the 300 per account per day. Yeah. Is the bot worth it? Absolutely. Absolutely. So it was in a long, took profit. Now it's in a short. Let's see what Big Bang's not in the trade. So let me pull him off to the side. I've got a lot going on. I've got a lot of algorithms running. So do I need all the bots to get my goal? No. You could just get you could pick and choose, you know. But if you're going to have 20 accounts, the more algorithms you have access to, the better for your diversification. That way you're not like putting all your eggs into one basket, and you'll have more to choose from on different days. So it'd be better to get the premium algorithms if you're going to get 20 accounts. That way you have multiple game plans that we can come up with, like 4 different game plans. You just put 5 accounts on each game plan, and then we could come up with a really good strategy for you to, you know. And depending on the size, too, if you're just going with like $50,000 accounts or $100,000 accounts, or even right now they have, you know, the $250,000 accounts for the same price. Totally up to you, but. So we have payouts to prove this. Yeah, there's all types of people in the group that are getting paid out every month. Sunshine, welcome in. Workaholic, welcome to the Swagoners Mount Up. Yes, we have payouts. As a beginner, what is the best to start with? Any of them, honestly. It depends on you. If you want to just try the standard algorithms for 21 days, you can do that. $500 for the first 21 days, and then $1,000 a month after that. Big Bang and another short here. I just got slaughtered twice. What are you talking about? It's risking $200 per trade on Santa. Because Santa takes a lot of trades, so that's not slaughtered. Is there any broker that trades 15S? What do you mean? 15 seconds? I don't know what that. What's 15S? Daniel, welcome in. Good morning. Nothing's going to win every time. Welcome to the Swagonators, Daniel. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you being here. Yeah, you can make on NinjaTrader. You can make it a 15-second chart if you want. It might be. It might be. I don't know. I think you can make it a 15-second chart, though, on NinjaTrader if you wanted to. Yeah. They have that as one of their options in the default settings. No problem. 310, 330, 340. So like I said, if you wanted to click on the stop loss and drag it down here and lock in profit as it goes, you can do that. But if you don't want to, you don't have to. The algorithm has made, $600 without touching it. So there's 600 right there. So if I wanted to lock in profit, I could most definitely click this and drag it and lock in profit. And then, just drop it right there. $900, $940. Selling off here quite a bit right before the 11 o'clock candle opens on a 15-minute chart. We'll see what she does here. Looking like a inverted hammer on a 15-minute chart almost. If it drops down a little more in 10 seconds. This is a premium algorithm, Big Bang is. It's $1,500 a month for the premium algorithms. $1,000 a month for the standard, but you can get the standard at a trial rate of $500 for the first 21 days or $300 for the first 2 weeks. We also have a digital mentorship that teaches you how to manually trade. If you're interested in learning how to manually trade, you can take that. Gonna ripping down. That's what it's looking like, right? Everything's pointing that it should be still continuing to go back down, but it did get some support here at 21,200-ish, 213, and it was hard to get below that for it. So never know. The market is a finicky beast. We'll see if it can continue down all the way to 21,001. What did it get to? 21,170, 167-ish. 165 it looks like it might have got to as the low so far on the day. No, that's all. Oh, so it's not going to continue down. That's what you meant? And then now it's going to go back up? Volume accumulation and volume rate of change. See, that's one thing I need to get better at and learn more of. Robot Rocket. I need to learn how to read those volume charts better. Is there indicators that you use that you like that show that better? Because maybe you're seeing something that different that I'm seeing. Everything I'm seeing shows it should still be going down. And then I don't even look at like the big six or the big seven or whatever they call it that help control the NASDAQ, but I should. No, this is not demo. This is live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm that I can manipulate manually by moving the stop loss closer if I want to. All I would have to do is click this and drop it and follow tighter if I wanted to. Robot rocket. Still going down, buddy. I don't know what you were looking at. That's why I'm interested to know. Waiting to buy back in NQ. Yeah. If it holds at 21,160, that would be the previous low of the day. It would have to have some buyers step in here, but don't fight the trend. The trend is your friend. It's below a lot of levels here, below a lot of indicators, so who knows? Could just continue down. $21,200 is a whole number, so we might see a little pop back up on here, but other than that, if there's not enough buyers to hold it above 21,200, then it should continue down, right? Aria, welcome in. Good morning. Lau, hello, hello. What do you know? Cool clips. Welcome back. Happy New Year. Good morning, good morning. My name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, please email us, BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. We got $300 for 2 weeks, $500 for the first 21 days of the standard algorithms. Then it's $1,000 a month after that, or $1,500 a month for the premium algorithms, like the one you're watching right now, Big Bang, in a $2,000 short. This one short could have paid for your monthly subscription. You're in a long. All right, good luck. Let's see if it bounced off of this 21,200 and runs up for you and makes you some money. I put a pretty tight stop on that 21,240. Might be an area that it's going to have trouble getting back through. So you never know. Maybe I'm wrong. Take your profits as they come. Yeah, we have a scalping algorithm that's called Santa. It looks for reversals. That was the one I was showing you earlier. But you got to be careful with that because it does take a lot of trades and it is just looking for reversal patterns. But we also have other scalping algorithms as well that don't take quite as many trades. But the premium algorithms like Big Bang, it does fairly well most of the time when it does take the trades that it's looking for. It is usually always profitable. But this one is hands-on. You definitely want to follow it. With a tighter stop loss manually once it gets above what you're looking to make each day. So, especially when it's in these big trades like over $2,000. You don't want to give back too much of that, right? You want to just take your profit and move on to the next trade. You just bought MNQ so I can average in. Okay. Good luck to you on that. Could very well possibly could bounce here and move back up. You never know with you have to look at a lot of different stuff in the market. What's going on with like Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, Google, Facebook. See what those are doing. If those are dumping, then NQ's going to dump. So, trading in Forex exchange? No, I don't do Forex. No crypto, no stocks, no Forex, no options. Just the futures market. Samid, welcome back. Good morning. Hello. Happy New Year. Thank you, Samid. I appreciate that. Hopefully, it is a good year. Back down to around 21,208. Stuck in a range here, yeah. Little bit of consolidation. We'll see if it needs to break below this 21,200 and hold below that. But $2,000 on NQ Big Bang, one of the premium algorithms. Brought to you by BoldBot. Just keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, till your fingers turn green. Help me, help you, help others. How much do you make per week with this bot? It depends. on average at least 500 to 2,000. It all depends, honestly, on which ones I run. If they take big runs like this and I get it, um, stuff like that. And that's, per account. So if you have multiple accounts, 500 to 2,000 on 10 accounts, that's good money per week. Win rate of the bot, each one's different. We have some algorithms that run at like 92 to 94, 5% win rate. Others that are 68 to 75%, but in the long run, they're profitable overall. So that's more important than I guess the win rate is. No, they lose. They take losing trades, that's for sure. Nothing's 100% win rate. Let me make that clear. We are not even saying anything close to that. Our highest win rate percentage bot runs at about a 92% win rate. Some of them only win 68 to 72% of the time. But in the long run, they're profitable. Curious how my bet gonna end against Aguiar bot? Against your bot? Is that what you meant? I don't know. We'll see. If you're in a long, like I said, good luck. I hope it goes to the moon for you. Oli Poly, welcome into the Swagonators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. No, I figured that's what you meant. Did you get in at 21,200 on your long? If so, that's pretty good. That's like 50 points right there. That's pretty good long. Santa's running. Is it in a trade? Not right now. No, it's not. Not on mine, anyway. Sometimes people's are different. You might be in a Santa trade and mine isn't. Sometimes it's weird like that, but I don't see Santa in a trade right now for me. No. NQ later. Nope, not NQ later. That's not in a trade either. Nowhere close to being in a trade for NQ later. Silver is in a trade though. And it's green $100 on range silver. What's the screen? Big Bang. NQ Big Bang. Sorry about that, Super Z. This one that you're watching right now is NQ Big Bang. It is premium. It was green, $2,100. So that is a lot of drawdown. That's why it's suggested you do it hands-on and take your profit when it gets to whatever your profit goal is. See if we can get out of this choppy area that it's in, consolidation area for the past 45 minutes. Right now, Apex is still doing a sale, guys. If you want 90% off, just use the code SWAGSHOW. 90% off of any sized Apex account going on until the end of the day today. $85 PA fee as well with that. Farouk, welcome in. Good morning. All right. Moved it out. Santa in a long hair. what I see is an accumulation for a rebound. Anything could happen, like you said before. Yeah, possible. It is having a hard time getting down and below that 21,220 level, but you never know. There you go. There's your pop. There was your pop. DFX, welcome to the Swagoners Mount Up. AJ, welcome. MW, welcome. How is Lauren doing? She's doing good. Chris, thank you for asking. Burberry, welcome in. What stock? No stock. This is the NASDAQ on the futures market. Yeah, this is the scalping one that I was telling you about, Santa. This is the one that can take a lot of trades, so you got to be careful with it. All right, let's see here. Better than some, worse than others. It's going okay. Did okay on my Apex PAs. I got some more evals, busted a few. Did okay in a few. I mean, the normal day of a eval trying to pass too quick, you know, not a big deal. How's Santa today? Not the greatest. He's in a nice run here, but overall he's not doing too good. Yeah, funded accounts. I have eval accounts and funded accounts. Since the Apex 90% sale, I bought a bunch more, so trying to pass them. NQ High Five was 1 for 1 for 200. NQ New Range 1 for 1 for 350. ES New, or sorry, Range Silver's green 225. Let's see, 93. What's 93? It's good. 92 is good. What about 90? 90 good. Yeah, 90's good. Okay. So we got 1, 2, 3. That's okay. Whatever. Christy Value, welcome in. Thank you for the share. Icarus the Trader, hello, welcome in. Thank you for being here. Appreciate it. $450 Santa Long here. He's down a little bit on the day, but the standard algorithms, the MicroStrategy game plan, doing really well. NQ PBV day hit for 500. Big Bang's green 915. ES Big Bang's green 1237. So, trying to decide on if I want to buy any more of these Apex accounts before the sale ends tonight. Probably get one more of each. One more 250, maybe one or two more 50s. I don't know. They're on sale. They're cheap. They're $17. Might as well get it. What does the bot do? It cooks ribs, yeah. Fred, welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Man, their servers are so backed up. It's not even funny. Their Apex servers are so backed up on taking new orders, it's not even funny. Everybody's rushing to get these accounts while they can. You should too. Use the code SWAGSHOW, save yourself 90% off. Toby, I hope that answers your question. It trades for you on the futures market. Not trying to be a smart aleck too much or not answer your question, but yeah, it's a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. So, come on. May I ask what you get from using your code? I get like $3 or $4 if you use my code. And then I'm able to do the giveaways for the free months when I do my giveaways. So it's not a lot, but I can afford to get my kids a Happy Meal with it. But if you don't use a code, then you're going to be paying full price. So if you're going to use a code, you might as well use my code. If you like the stream and you support me, I appreciate it. That's all. Where is the bot code? Python? You mean what is it coded in? I don't know. I didn't write the code. I'm not the coder. I don't know what they wrote it in, honestly, robot. Sorry. I do not know. Well, we're back up to the PP, and then it kind of rejected from there. So we'll see what happens here over the long run. kind of moving sideways. You can even see on Santa, not a lot of volume or something going on here. Not a lot of movement. It's 11:38. I don't think there's any other news or anything coming up today that I know of. Let me check my schedule. What did it say? No, that's it. All the news is done for the day as far as I can tell. So now it's just slowing down during going into lunch early, I guess. Some people might not be back from Christmas break, New Year's break. It is the first day after the new year that the markets are open, so there was quite a bit of movement earlier this morning. But big wicks up and down, and now it's just kind of sideways. We'll see if it can move up here. Hopefully I can watch the Notre Dame game today. It was rescheduled, supposed to happen yesterday, but then the tragedy in New Orleans happened, and they rescheduled it for today. My thoughts and prayers go out to all those affected by that tragedy in New Orleans. $900 on Santa here. $1,200. $1,300 now on Santa. When he goes on the long runs, like I said, he can run and run and run. I've seen him take $3,000-$4,000 trades before. Welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you being here. $500 for the first 21 days, $1,000 a month after that for the standard, or you can do $300 for the first 2 weeks for the standard. Or if you want the premium algorithms like Big Bang that I was showing earlier, it's $1,500 for the month, for each month. Ugh, can't talk. Trading Life, 7,000. Welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. We'll see what it's going to do here. How many contracts? Just one. One contract per trade. It can be a mini or a micro, depending on what strategy, but that was just one mini contract right there on Santa, what you were watching. So let's see, what else we got here? Oracle Silver, we got Range Silver, we got YM Vizzy. Yeah. It's Big Bang. Let's see here. Put Santa on the other side just in case it takes a trade so you can see it. Not a whole lot in a trade right now that I can show you. "11:49 a.m. Eastern Time. Welcome. Thank you for being here. Sorry, I'm doing some side action work here. Trying to pass some evals. No algorithm in a trade that I can show you right now. But if you want to know more, just follow, tune in. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern, showing you live futures market trading. So please, come join us. Bonfire Rob, welcome in. Name, good morning, good morning. Cam Dato, how are the bots doing today? Great. You got NQ high 5, 1 for 1 for 200. NQ range new, 1 for 1 for 350. You got new range silver, green 500 as we speak. Big Bang ES is green 1237. Big Bang NQ green 915. Santa is down, but he takes a lot of trades overnight. Last night, ES London Waves green 875. So, yeah, a lot of green action. $500 for the first 21 days, $1,000 a month after that, or you can do the $300 for 2 weeks if you want to for the standard algorithms. $1,500 for the premium. Time to sell. Is it getting up there to that moving average and VWAP? What are we talking about here? 21,360 area. Think that's where it's going to tap out and stop moving up. Let's see. It could go up to around here, 21,360-ish. That's a pretty good call there. If buyers don't continue to step in here and push this higher. Ellie Litvin, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Santa gets in a short here. We'll watch him, see what he can do. $115 just like that. If your goal is to make $100 a day, guys, that's $2,000 a month. And this is on one mini contract. You can do it on micros just the same, less risk. All you have to do is make $100 a day, and that's $2,000 a month per account. So we'll see if Santa is correct and it's going to continue to push down here, or if this is just a pullback. And that's the good thing. Santa can catch the pullback and make a little bit of money, and then, you know, there it is, $75 just like that. Boy, look at that. Look at that wick. Look at that. Look at that pullback. Reversed the 15-minute candle there for a minute. Man, that was nasty. What a nasty wick. What a liquidity sweep to get all those longs out. Wants to drop so bad. Yeah, it's below everything still, so I don't know. Got to look at what the rest of the market's doing, I guess. Look at the big six. What's Tesla, Google, Apple, Facebook, Meta, Microsoft, whatever? What are those doing? Those can pretty much tell you what NQ is going to do if you can look at those simultaneously. Remember, I'm also a robot rocket. Done. What'd you do? Did you make your money, robot? Time to sell. Oh yeah, there. Yeah, you were right on cue. Right there at 21,360. You called it. That was a perfect level to sell there. You would have made about 50 points, roughly, on that drop. 50 points times $20 a point is $1,000 per mini. So congratulations if you got that drop. Very nice call out there, robot. Very nice call out, my friend. I need to learn more about your volume indicators, though, and what you're using and looking at and how to decipher all that. If it can get below 21,300, it probably will drop back down. In a few minutes, my TikTok live studio will probably promote me to do a little puzzle because they're going to say they've detected inactivity, which is just crazy. But stand by for that. Having a hard time with this PP level, 21,314. Keeps bouncing off of it, or I mean rejecting off of it, I should say. What's ES doing? ES came down to its PP and bounced off of it, and now is moving back up. So NQ could be following suit of ES here, which means it could be going back up. We're gonna buy. I want to see if it jumps over this. If it can jump over this level here. Big green candle. Buyer step in. Let's see if it jumps up and over. PP gonna hold. See if the PP holds. Nope. It's battling right here in this area, that's for sure. It is battling in this area. We need to run on up here. Run on back up. Run up. Done for the day. Thank you, my man. Good luck. Thank you, brother. I appreciate you. I'll be back tomorrow. Laduna, welcome in. Good morning. Yeah. Oh, shit. Took the loss there on that long. Did not play out the way I thought it was going to. $12. Run up. It's battling still. It's battling. There's my inactivity puzzle that I have to solve. There you go. Is that close enough? Verification complete? Yes, thank you. Go away. Half an hour left in the show today, guys. I will be back tomorrow on Friday, though. But stick around for the next half hour. We'll see if anything else gets in a trade for us. Santa's going to be on lunch break now, though, so he's done. See if NQ prop. What's prop doing? Prop was in a trade, missed it. Silver is green, $625 on NQ range silver. If you're in that, congratulations. Oracle silver, what's Oracle silver? Green 625 as well. Imagine that. Waiting for MNQ later. Yeah, that's probably not going to trade. Unless I'm looking at something completely different. 590 on LG. What's that? Just push up. Go up to 35. Just push on up to 35 here. Looking for a prop here to take along. Props looking to take along here. If it can pull back to 21,302. It wants to get into a long 21,302. Let's do Happy New Year. Hope you have an amazing 2025. Thank you. You as well, Pillow. Appreciate it. Thank you as well. Yeah. $500 for the first 21 days, $1,000 a month after that, $300 for the first 2 weeks, $1,000 after that, $1,500 a month for the premium algorithms. We have a digital mentorship. Just email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Let us know if you want to be a part of the BoldBot family. Do. Busy long. All right. Vizzy Long. That was Vizzy Long in an $800 trade. All right, guys. I think that's it for today. I will be back tomorrow. Same bat time, same bat channel. I appreciate each and every one of you hanging out. Come on back now. You're here. Happy New Year. Be safe. Be humble. But I'm going to be back tomorrow, 10:30. So I'll see you then. All right. Appreciate each and every one of you watching. And I will see you mañana. Okie dokies. Take care.